Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy.
Joelle, what are you doing?
I'm just telling myself that the IELTS writing test is easy peasy. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy.
Are you okay?
No. I'm really worried about the IELTS writing test. It's really hard.
It is the most difficult part of the IELTS test for a lot of people. But it's okay. Let's learn about it now. Hi, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Joelle.
And we are IELTS Together.
In this video, we are going to learn all about the IELTS writing test.
We will be looking at questions like,
how long will the exam be?
how many questions will there be?
Is the writing test the same for everyone?
How long should each of my answers be?
What should I do if I have terrible handwriting?
What do I need to do to prepare? Okay, so let's start with how long will the IELTS writing test be?
True or false? The writing exam is 60 minutes long. What do you think? Charlotte?
It is true. Yeah, the IELTS writing test is 60 minutes long. And in fact, the recommended times are 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2, because that's worth double the marks.
Next, how many questions will there be?
So true or false? There will be 2 questions in the IELTS writing test. What do you think? Joelle?
The answer is true. There will be 2 questions in the IELTS writing test.
Yeah, so there will just be task 1 and task 2, and that's all you have to worry about. Next question. Is the writing test the same for everyone?
True or false? The IELTS writing test is the same for everyone. What do you think? Charlotte?
This is false.
Yeah, it's false. It depends on whether you're taking IELTS academic or IELTS general training.
Yes, so task 2 is basically the same. So in both general training and academic, it will be an essay for both. But for the general training task 1, you will be asked to write a letter. And for academic task 1, you will be asked to write an academic report.
Okay, so the next question is how long should each of my answers be?
Okay, so true or false? In each part of the writing test, your answer should be at least 200 words long. What do you think? Joelle?
This one is false. For the first part, your answer should be a minimum of 150 words. And for the second, it should be a minimum of 250 words.
Yes. So as you can see, there is a minimum. So you should write at least 150 words and 250 words, but there is no maximum. So if you want, you could write as many words as you want, but you probably don't want to because you only have 20 minutes and 40 minutes. Okay, so next question. What should I do if I have terrible handwriting?
True or false? You can take your IELTS test on a computer. What do you think? Charlotte?
So this one is true. Yeah, you can take the IELTS test on a computer, and in fact now that's becoming a really common way to take the IELTS test. The only thing is that maybe not all centres will have the computer-based test, so you may need to check with your local test centre, but that is becoming the most popular way now to take the IELTS test.
In fact, some test centres, that's the only way you can take the IELTS test. Do check in the description below for a video that we have all about that. Finally, how do I prepare for the IELTS writing test.
Okay, so true or false? You should write one essay every day. What do you think? Joelle?
That one is false. Obviously, you can write an essay every day if you would like, but really you need to focus on the problem areas.
Yeah, so think about your weak areas. It's the same as with your speaking. So do you have issues with your spelling? Do you have issues with how to answer the questions for the IELTS writing test? Or do you have a problem with your grammar? So all of these things you need to check and make sure that you are meeting the band descriptors.
We hope that's helped. If you'd like further help with your writing, have a look in the description below for our ChatGPT prompt.
Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye, thank you, bye.